Unheard
Very alternative-ish, sounding-ish,
yeah,
international
yeah.
sound coming straight from your.
Well, we're going to
I
some
like it.
international furniture.
Yes, coming straight
Made
from
right
yard.
here a yard. We are joined. So it's a case of, well, the case of cyberbullying happened afterwards. We're going to talk about that as well. So Londy Murray is with us. So first of all, I know Londy to be a marketing and public relations, digital content, social media guru. And then the next thing, me this the furniture just have run out. Londy?
Hi, Dela.
Blessings for your left hand.
You know, it's a coffee, I'm afraid.
I love it.
Oh my gosh, talk to me now, Londy, about this. How did it all begin? Oh, you regional furniture making? Sir?
Listen, I moved to a new place and it was unfurnished. And so I said, let me visit all the local stores to see what's available. Looked at the stores, looked at the prices, and I was like, no. So I was talking to my little sister, and she said, you should check out Pinterest. They use pallets and make beds. I'm like, all right, check it out. Saw it, YouTube some videos. And then I realized that, but I can do this. My dad has all these tools, so I can just go and get them and do it myself. And that's how the project started. So I built the bed first.
And you made a video about
and
it.
I made a video showing every step of the way. And that went viral on Twitter. And then I wasn't planning on doing into a business to make furniture or do handyman stuff. But I posted a picture on Instagram of me and a friend of mine. On Twitter, sorry. And because of my left hand is like this, and I'm waiting for the camera to come back so the whole of Jamaica can see it.
Sorry, you're not directing.
But yeah, my camera is like this. And so somebody saw the left hand, zoomed into the picture, took a screenshot, and posted it to try and make fun of me. What? Now, if you know me, you can't make fun of me, especially not have my hand. Because if you go through Jamaican primary school and high school, nobody can out about none.
This is correct.
So this is what happened. So she mouthed me, and Twitter decided that we're not having it. And when they realized that I'd built the bed before the picture came out, they're like, so hold on. You built the bed with, and as people would say, with one hand. You built the bed with one hand, and you do all the technical stuff that you do with one hand. And we with two good hands can't do nothing at all. And then that just started to go viral, and it started a thing.
Tell us what the condition is called with your hand, because you've since met another young man with
I met a 2-year-old, his name is Xander, and I can't even remember the pronunciation of the word. It's a very big, fancy word. But basically, it happens to everyone in 30 to 40,000 newborns. There's no fault of the parent, no fault, there's nothing medical to say what causes it. Nothing at all. But he was the first person, my explanation that my mom gave was that, she had a fibroid, which she did, and the left hand was growing in that position. That's what a doctor told her. So I was born through C-section.
Oh, there's a picture. I was so moved by that picture.
So when I met him, he was the first person in all my 29 years of life that I met with a hand that is pretty much identical to mine. And that's when I said, no, man. 29 years ago, medicine wasn't that advanced. So probably the doctor just say, all right, this is what happened. Hold on on that. But no, I said that it couldn't be a coincidence.
And that it should happen now.
So
when you're essentially sending a message to everybody, and the fact that Twitter came down so hard on that person, just makes us know daily. We talk about Twitter all the time, that there are good people.
That's true.
On Twitter, because they weren't having it none.
We're over cyberbullying. That was so 2017.
So
if that's what you're famous for on social media, do something different.
We're past that stage.
We're past that. We're going into what people doing that's positive.
Exactly.
So Londy goes viral. So what's happening with the furniture now?
Well, I'm making a lot of stuff.
What must?
It turned from, the first interview was on the other station, and then I went to Nationwide and some other radio stations, and then TVJ called and said, yo, come to Smile Jamaica, and I was like,
Somebody
Okay.
tells me, a birdie tells me you're booked out for the rest of the month. You're not taking
Yeah, I
any
can't take
orders.
any more orders for the rest of the month. I have a whole office to build
So
out,
if-
which is,
so if
which
we
is
wanna-
it's still mind-boggling.
If we want to build stuff, we've
You
got
have
to
to
check
link me
you
in
in May.
May. You have to link me in May.
And
You have to link me
maybe,
in May.
because, you
No,
know.
Well,
May
you
is
shouldn't make
empty.
him come here till May. Can't come here too long, on.
So May is empty.
May is empty right now, but I have to finish the rest of April and finish those orders.
And
But
you do a variety of things because you do that. What we saw was bedroom.
yeah,
We saw
basically the
bar.
pictures you saw were stuff for my place.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, that's some of the stuff for my place.
Yeah.
I haven't posted the rest of it because I've just been busy balancing regular work, this plus all that's
Seems
going
like
on.
you have some decisions to make, sir.
Boy, man, tell you.
Yeah, but good decisions.
But yeah, but I'm happy for the support. That's one thing I'm grateful for, the support, and that social media just really proved that, you know, we're
Yeah.
not all negative. And we show that so many people reached out to me because of my hand. Because there are people who are disabled who want to do stuff, who want to put
Yeah,
themselves out there,
yeah.
but they're afraid to do it. I've never seen myself as disabled or handicapped unless I need a parking spot. But
Terrible.
yeah.
I saw that
but,
tweet.
but
Not even
other than that, I've never seen myself as handicapped or disabled. My parents never treated me any way different
Yeah.
because my hand was like this.
Well,
So,
sir, see that man
that's
there,
that.
that's a beat him. I'm going to beat the chair with
Yeah.
break. We have to go to the news.
Where do we
But
find you? You're
awesome.
at Londy, L-O-N-D-I-E.
I am at
Murray.
LONDIEMURRAY or at One Handyman, spell out the whole word. One Handyman, JA on Instagram and Twitter. And if you want, send an email to onehandymanJA@gmail.com and put in an order and we can talk from there.
Man,
Nice.
I'm telling you. Thank you, Lonty Murray. Now also heading into an ambassadorship with H&L.
Working on
More
it.
to come. Londy
Yeah.
Murray, founder of One Handyman DIY Bills.
That's
Twitter
right.
social media can be great. News in 5.
Roxy.
After the break. Raquel!
And fun.